love monster trucks just as much as you do. Crash lands. Who's ready for the chocolate drive? Hello everybody, welcome to the chocolate drive where we love monster trucks just as much as you do. Today we are back at the track where Little Chip Chocolate, who was in El Toro Loco, is now in Prize Truck Earthshaker and is prepared to take on our largest lineup of trucks yet. A total of 18 trucks will be going head to head today in 2 rounds of competition, with round 1 taking place on the straight track. The winner of each race will advance to a triple threat semifinal. The winner of each semifinal will advance to a triple threat final to determine the winner of each round. The rules of round 2 are the same, but takes place on our brand new jump track. The winners of rounds 1 and 2 will face off in a best of 3 final on our brand new jump track to determine the winner of Sign Up Series 9. We've got the rules. The champ is ready to defend his title. The racers are revved up and ready to take it away. Who is going to be your winner here at Sign Up Series 9? Let's head to the track and race. Round 1, race 1. Newcomer, the gaming Roger Dodger in the Dragon, takes on newcomer Spin Master Monster Jam in the Swine N Dash. The gaming Roger Dodger and Dragon blaze a trail down the track for the first win here. Round 1, race 2, veteran racer and one-time champion Farah in the Max D take on the master of the new jump track in the Monster Mutt, King Jed. Farah and the Maxi go a bit too hard and crash land as King Jed and the Monster Mutt let the dogs out for the win. Round 1, race 3, newcomer Dillon Tennant and Cyclops takes on the creator of our brand new intro and newcomer One Bad Ghoul Randomite 2008 in the BAKUGAN Dragoonoid. Lasting down the track to take the win is newcomer One Bad Ghoul Randomite 2008. Round 1, race 4, veteran racer Aiden's Custom Trucks in Rage takes on monster truck nerd Carl, or Carl the Race Ace fan, in the Queen Bee. Aiden unleashes rage and fury on monster truck nerd Carl and Queen and B to take the win here. Round 1, race 5, veteran racer NRG Titans takes on the veteran racers in the Lumberjack K and James TV. NRG Titan suffers technical difficulties. We're going to have to check with this team to see if his truck is okay. K and James DV jump to an early lead and take an early dive for the win. After repairing his truck and testing it, NRG Titans will be returning in the Mystery Machine for round 2. Round 1, race 6, newcomer Kids Fun Car Play in the Earthshaker Gears takes on veteran racer and 2-time champion J-Pace Racing in the Big Kahuna. What an upset here as veteran racer J-Pace Racing crashes into newcomer Kids Fun Car Play in the Earthshaker Gears, who takes the win here. Round 1, Race 7. Veteran racers RRC Family Gaming in the Blue Thunder Reveal Steel take on newcomer Monster Jam Extreme in the TORO LOCO Color Changer. Monster Jam Extreme and TORO LOCO Color Changer blast down the track as RRC Family Gaming struggle. Their team has confirmed that the engine in this truck did blow out and they will be switching their truck. The team at RRC Family Gaming has confirmed they will be switching their truck from the Blue Thunder Reveal Steel to the original Blue Thunder for round 2. Round 1, Race 8. Veteran racer Dolphin Master Backwards Bob takes on newcomer George 2010 in the MOHAWK Warrior. Dolphin Master flies down the track to take the win there, while George 2010 suffers from technical difficulty. We just got word from his team he has a blown shock tower. He will be switching his truck for round 2. George 2010 and his team confirmed they will now be in Rainbow Blast for round 2 as the MOHAWK Warrior has suffered from a blown shock tower. Round 1, Race 9. Little Chip Chocolate, now two-time champion in Earthshaker, takes on veteran two-time champion Toucan Plays in the Double Decker. Little Chip Chocolate is here to defend his title in Earthshaker. He takes the win as Toucan Play's team has just confirmed that their engine in Double Decker is blown. They will be switching their truck in round 2. It is a hot day here at the track, and this sweltering heat has taken its toll on both the drivers and the trucks. Toucan Plays loses Double Decker to engine failure. He will now be in the Avenger going into round 2. Here are the semi-finalists who have endured the heat here in round 1. If you enjoy the racing and want more, like, share, comment, and subscribe. It lets us know that we are doing a good job here bringing you all this diecast monster truck racing. Now it's time for Triple Threat Racing. Round 1, semifinal 1, newcomer One Bad Ghoul Rhymite 2008 in BAKUGAN Dragonoid takes on veteran racers K and James TV in the Lumberjack and newcomer the gaming Roger Dodger in the Dragon. One Bad Ghoul Rhymite 2008 and Dragonoid succumb to the pressure, but not the heat. They will be going into round 2 in the BAKUGAN Dragonoid. K and James TV trying to catch up to the Roger Dodger in the Dragon, who takes the win here in the first semifinal of round 1. Round 1, semifinal 2, King Jet and the Monster Mutt takes on Monster Jam Extreme and TORO LOCO Color Changer and Aiden's Customs Trucks in Rage. What a battle, all the trucks speeding down to the line as King Jed crash lands across the finish line for the win here. Round 1, semifinal 3, defending champion Little Chip Chocolate and Earthshaker takes on veteran racer Dolphin Master in the Backwards Bob and Kids Fun Car Play in the Earthshaker Gears. Earthshaker Gears and Backwards Bob speeding down the line, but it's not enough to defeat Earthshaker and Little Chip Chocolate as they head to the finals of round 1. Round 1, the finals. The Gaming Roger Dodger and Dragon takes on the defending champion and Earthshaker Little Chip Chocolate and the veteran racer King Jet in the Monster Mutt. What a battle, what an upset. King Jet and Little Chip Chocolate battling it out as the Gaming Roger Dodger sprints away with the victory. He is headed to the finals. Do we have a new champion here? It's time for round 2. The jumps have been added to the track. The podium is now in jeopardy as Little Chip Chocolate has lost in the finals of round 1 to the Gaming Roger Dodger and Dragon. Will he have his redemption here in round 2 on our brand new jump track, or will one of these competitors come out on top here and upset him? Here we go. Let's get ready for round 2, the jump track. Round 2, race 1, veteran racer and 2-time champion J-Pace Racing in Big Kahuna takes on veteran racer in the Mystery Machine NRG Titans. NRG Titans and the Mystery Machine stick the landing and take the first win in round 2. Unfortunately, J-Pace Racing lost control of his truck heading into the jump and crashed. He is okay and the truck is okay. Better luck next time, J-Pace. Round 2, race 2. Newcomer Dillon Tennant in the Cyclops takes on Monster Truck Nerd Call in the Queen Bee. Dillon Tennant and the Cyclops fly off the track, while Monster Truck Nerd Carl and Queen Bee fly across the line for the win. Round 2, race 3. One Bad Ghoul Rhymite 2008 in Bakugan Dragonoid takes on Spin Master Monster Jam in Swine N Dash. Spin Master Monster Jam suffers from a bad landing on the jump, but pops it up into a wheelie for the fans as One Bad Ghoul Rhymite 2008 takes the victory in Bakugan Dragonoid. Round 2, race 4. Veteran racer Dolphin Master in the Backwards Bob takes on veteran racer In's Custom Trucks in Rage. Aiden's Custom Trucks crash lands as Dolphin Master in Backwards Bob sticks the landing and takes the win here. Round 2, race 5. Veteran racers RRC Family Gaming in Blue Thunder take on newcomer Monster Jam Extreme in El Toro LOCO Color Changer. Monster Jam Extreme a little cautious heading into the jump as the veterans RRC Family have redemption here in round 2 after suffering engine failure in round 1 with this Blue Thunder. Round 2, race 6. 2-time champion and veteran racer Toucan Blaze in the Avenger takes on newcomer George 20D10 in the Rainbow Blast. Toucan Blaze has to find his bearings here on the new jump track as the newcomer George 20D10 blasts down the track and takes the win. Round 2, race 7. Veteran racer King Jet in the Monster Mutt takes on newcomer Kids Fun Car Play in the Earthshaker Gears. Kids Fun Car Play has a bad landing while King Jet and the Monster Mutt stick the landing and take the win here. Round 2, Race 8. Veteran racers K and James TV and the Lumberjack take on the newcomer, the gaming Roger Dodger in the Dragon. The heat has totally gotten to the gaming Roger Dodger. He loses a wheel coming down the track as K and James TV and the Lumberjack sprint to victory. What an upset here for the gaming Roger Dodger as he loses a wheel. Can he regain his composure in his new truck, the Bakugan Dragonoid? Round 2, Race 9. Veteran racer and defending two-time champion Little Chip Chocolate in the Earth Shaker takes on veteran racer and one-time champion Farah in the Max D. Little Chip Chocolate puts the pedal to the metal and shakes Farah out of the competition here in round 2. What a crazy race day it has been. Here are the semi-finalists heading into the semi-finals of round 2. To you racers who competed and suffered in the heat, we say thank you. We truly appreciate you, and we could not have this event without you. Now let's head back to the track for triple threat racing. Round 2, semi-final 1. NRG Titans in the Mystery Machine takes on One Bad Ghoul Dynamite 2008 in the Bakugan Dragonoid and Monster Truck Nerd Carl in Queen and B. Monster Truck Nerd Carl suffers from a bad start. NRG Titans doesn't have enough power to chase down One Bad Ghoul Dynamite 2008 in the Bakugan Dragonoid as he powers down the track for victory. Round 2, semi-final 2. George 20D10 in the Rainbow Blast takes on RRC Family Gaming in the Blue Thunder and Dolphin Master in the Backwards Bomb. Dolphin Master gets pushed off the track as the RRC Family Gaming puts on a stunt show for the fans, but it's gonna be George 20D10 and the Rainbow Blast who takes the win here. Round 2, semi-final 3. Veteran racers K and James TV take on the defending champion in the Earthshaker Little Chip Chocolate and veteran racer King Jet in the Monster Mutt. What an upset! King Jet jumps off the track while Little Chip Chocolate crash lands and K and James TV sprint across the line for the win here. Round 2, the finals. Veteran racers K and James TV in the Lumberjack take on George 20D10 in Rainbow Blast and newcomer One Bad Ghoul Dynamite 2008 in the Bakugan Dragonoid. K and James TV jumps to an early lead but suffers from a bad landing. So does George 20D10 in Rainbow Blast, giving way to One Bad Ghoul Dynamite 2008 who flaps his wings in the Bakugan Dragonoid. He's headed to the finals here. The finals, round 1. For the first time ever, 2 newcomers are in the finals. The gaming Roger Dodger is in the blue Bakugan Dragonoid with One Bad Ghoul Dynamite 2008 in the red Bakugan Dragonoid. Who's going to take the first win? And the first win here in the finals goes to One Bad Ghoul Rhinomite 2008 as he flies above the Gaming Roger Dodger in the blue Bakugan Dragonoid. The finals round 2. Will the Gaming Roger Dodger in the blue Bakugan make a comeback, or will in the red Bakugan we have our new champion in One Bad Ghoul Rhinomite 2008? This finals is coming down to the wire as the Gaming Roger Dodger gets his redemption here in round 2 of the finals. The finals, round 3. The winner is going to be... One Bad Ghoul Rhinomite 2008 puts on a stunt show as he takes home the victory here in Sign-Up Series 9. To the Gaming Roger Dodger, you did a great job regaining your composure after losing a wheel and making it to the finals in your first ever Sign-Up Series appearance. Congratulations on your victory here at Sign-Up Series 9 One Bad Ghoul Rhinomite 2008. Here is your prize. You can choose one of these 2 new trucks, or you can choose to remain in the Bakugan Dragonoid as you advance to Sign-Up Series number 10 as the defending champion. If you decline to participate, Bakugan will be entered back into the new lineup of trucks. To all our signups and supporters who participated here at Sign-Up Series 9, we say thank you. We truly appreciate you, and we could not have this event without you guys. So, to show you our appreciation, here is the lineup for Sign-Up Series 10. In the Son of a Digger will be Little Chip Chocolate. The rest of the trucks are free and available for selection. You have Blue Thunder Color Changer, Monster Mutt Poodle, El Toro Loco Yellow, Boneyard Zombie, Boneyard Megalodon, Dragon, Soldier Fortune Share, Grave Digger, El Camino, Higher Education, Full Charge, Excalibur, Octonator, Gravedigger the Legend, Wolf's Head, and finally, Storm Damage. If you enjoyed the video and want more racing, check out the video and playlist at the end. We truly appreciate you. Thank you for coming out to Sign-Up Series 9 Race Day. Now, before we go, it's time for bonus racing.